Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to replace dash with underscore in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now I can replace dash with underscore. At first, you have to select our column. Then go to home menu, then click find and select, then press replace. Now find what is dash, then replace with underscore, then click find next and click replace. Now you can see I replace dash with underscore in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.